So I'm gonna get the A-arms back on here, both the upper and the lower ones, and get everything connected back on. So on the Polaris website, I wanted to mention that they have excellent guides on what tools, what parts you need for replacing trail arms, front upper A-arm, the front lower A-arm, the tie rods. They'll go over torque specifications, the steps on removing, the steps on putting back, and all the parts that you should replace while doing that. And to get the official process, please go to the Polaris website and check it out there. Okay, let's get this upper A-arm in here first. That's gonna be the tricky one. All right. Okay, now to get that nut back there. Let's see if I can get the nut on. Oh, wee. Can't see what I'm doing, but just gotta feel around again. Okay, I kind of got my finger in there holding the nut. Now I just gotta see if I can get the threads to start. Oh, you think you have it and it doesn't. Fell off. Looks like I got her started in there. It's threading on. I think we're on there. Alright, so we'll do the rest with the torque wrench to get it down to 44 foot-pounds. Got that started. By the way, when we bottomed out, this came up and hit the frame here hard and actually bent the A-arm right there when it hit. Okay, now onto the bottom one. There we go, got that one on. Get the sway arm on. Snug these down a little bit. Oh, I just realized something. Heck. Sons of guns. When you do your upper A-arm, be sure to route the cable above it first. I'm going through the middle of the two. It needs to go. So I need to take off the upper A-arm again and reroute it because I'm not going to be able to fit the brake caliper through here. There's no way to fit that through. The easiest option is to take it off and put it back on. Of course, it's a hard one. So now this is going top. It's going to mount here and here. We're good to go with that. All right, we're back to where we're at. That wasn't too bad. Now I just got to get the shock on, get the caliper on, and the hub. and get those started. And I'll torque everything down. Kind of got to do them both at the same time. Now rocking it upside down to get those ball joints are really tight. Groove. There you go. There we go. Alright, get this guy on. There you go. Alright, so I have everything on. So I'm just going to torque everything down now. It's 44 foot-pounds for the shock lower and upper spots, 44 foot-pounds for the A-arm linkages, 37 foot-pounds for the stabilizer, and 44 foot-pounds for the hub spindle. So pretty simple. Get all those torqued down, and then we'll move to the other side. There we go. Torquing the A-arms. There you go. Have to get to that back nut, the shock's in the way. Get out of the way, there we go. Yay, okay. Upper A-arms torqued. $44 foot-pounds. Everything, just got the brake cable tightened back down. And got the upper A-arms done. Got the torsion bar, stabilizer bar tightened down. Got the lower A-arms done. And got the spindle done. All right. Okay, looking good. Right side all finished up. It's ready for a tire. We're gonna go basically do the same thing on the left side off camera, because there will be nothing different there.